Okay.
On MTV, music, fashion, gear, sports, and only real talk. All this and more brought to you by the Weekend Jam Dream Team. DJ Envy, Name is God, Levi Maestro, Nessa, Sophie Green. It's your one-stop shop. The Weekend Jam, Sundays at 11, only on MTV2.
An important free offer for men with balding or thinning hair. I'm happy with the way
I don't know how you do it.
With his hair now, it's just this newfound confidence, and there's a glow about him. You just can't.
Man, no diet, no exercise program, no new set of clothes can ever improve your confidence.
Oh, they think they slick. Y'all think y'all slick, huh? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Baby. Still a sexy ass. Granny, why you hiding? That's cold. How are y'all abandoning me? Why y'all abandoning me? Put up pimping. Hold on. Your mama ain't ever abandoned me. Where y'all? Oh, y'all running. That's cold. See how women do you? Man, when you get, man, women is cold, man. I'm telling you. They abandon you. They leave you around wildebeest and whatnot, and then they gonna laugh and run. Especially when niggas snoring like that. Oh, you gonna run away too, huh? Fine. Go ahead. See, I see you snoring. Or your cousin, or whatever. That's some cool shit.
Hair Club has the solution you want. Call now. Call 1-800-346-0099. That's 1-800-346-0099. Call now.
Back in the bush. Oh, you see, the wifey lady like the mom. But a wildebeest like that. Yes. Oh shit. Jumping. Run, little one. Run. Get away. Oh, that's where your ass is at. What's a fright? Oh, okay. Hold on. So the situation here. Why you running?
Sometimes I have suicidal thoughts because my ride comes with doors that suicide or the thighs on suicide. Good and bad, suicide. I all hail to the Father like you do with God. And maybe I should seek help, or maybe it's not that deep. Who am I?